baby! Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and I'm back today with another video for y'all, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, go down there and hit that subscribe button. Leave a like on the video. Comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel, man. But we are back today with another unboxing. I believe this is the Yeezy 700 Azareth. Azareth? I don't even know, man. But yo, this just came in the mail today. Ordered it yesterday. They delayed the release on these for some reason. But we'll get into explanation of all that. And yeah, let's hop into the unboxing. So you know how we do, man. I got my pen and this slide across. Yo, you guys are not liking the video and commenting or subscribing, so therefore I can't afford a freaking box cutter. You feel me? Like, I can't afford that. So I gotta use a pen. But alright, look. Boom, drop it off the box. Come on, man. Drop. Throw that back there. Drop. And bam, here we have it. Yeezy 700 Azareth. Azareth. So yeah, as you guys can see, that's size 11. So these were originally supposed to be releasing on the 28th or 29th, one of the days, but they got pushed back due to social injustice and the whole Jacob Blake situation, and Adidas felt like it was right to release it on a different day. And I mean, I truly respect that, you know what I'm saying? Like, they pushed it back to September 1st because the video and the whole situation with the NBA shutting down happened. But yeah, they released this yesterday. I was able to grab a size 11, as you guys could see. Yeezy Supply was acting kind of crazy. I didn't win on Adidas, so yeah, that's just the background of it. Resell is pretty high, and yeah, man, let's hop into the sneaker. Woo! This is actually my first time looking at them with you guys, so boom. Oh, yo, come on. What is Adidas doing now? They coming with like new stuff. Okay, so it comes with an extra pair of black laces. That's pretty cool. Ain't no Yeezy ever did that before. Freaking Kanye's getting innovative, huh? Innovative. So, all right, here we have the sneaker, man. Here we have the sneaker. Oh, it's doing the laceless thing again, man. It's doing the laceless thing, as you guys can see right here. Yeezy 700, you know what I'm saying? V3. I have the V2s and I have the V1s of the Yeezy 700s. Yeah, they're over there. But let me know how you guys feel about this shoe, man. When this shoe first surfaced, people was liking it. People were saying the baby blue contrast with the white was looking good, and everybody likes the first one, the white one, the bone colorway that lights up. I don't know if this one lights up. It's like an alien looking like shoe, man, in my opinion. Let's take the other pair out. And that's the background of the shoe. As you guys can see, the colorway is a baby blue with knit in the upper, and then it's surrounded by this kind of like plasticky material and a toe box, like a rubber on the toe box. And then the midsole is white, outsole is a clear color. The tongue is black, as you guys can see. Same with the laces. So these come with the laces that have no laces. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to tie them. And yeah, the outsole is clear, and then the midsole is like white. So yeah, man, there's no boost on this shoe. So yeah, man, there's no boost on this shoe. The shoe is just ortholite. I guess that's pretty comfortable. I can't tell you guys for sure because I never owned a pair of 700s that I wore myself, so I can't tell you guys how comfortable they are. But according to my sources that I sold sneakers to, they say Yeezy 700s are really comfortable. Even though the OG ones have the boost in it, that's why they like $300. God damn, yo. So also fit, I would suggest go true to size on these. That's what my customers have told me. Like I sold them the Yeezy 700s, the all black ones, and he said it fits true to size. So I would suggest you guys go true to size on these. Like I said, retail was $200 after tax and everything, came out to like almost $230 something because Yeezy Supply charges for shipping now, which is kind of weird. And yeah, man, let me know how you guys feel about the shoe overall. If you guys like it, don't like it, or how you guys feel about this blue colorway. So personally, my opinion on them is they cool, you know, nothing too crazy, like nothing too crazy, you know, just the baby blue on the upper, yeah, just whatever, like it's you know what I'm saying? It's not fire, it's not super fire, it's not air, but the resell is good though. So you know, we gonna sell these Johns, man. We gonna sell these Johns and turn into some cash. You know what I'm saying, man? So yeah, man, that's the end of this video. Comment down below what you guys think about this shoe. You know, just a quick, simple unboxing today that I wanted to show you guys as it came in the mail as I was filming other videos, and it has the Adidas logo on the heel tab. And yeah, man, yeah. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. If there's any other reviews y'all want to check out, go check out my channel. I have more on foot looks on shoes that are my size. And make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. Your boys out.